What's up guys, welcome back to Mr. Tech Boss, and this is after a long time. I'm really sorry for that. I am in Kashmir and this is, as you can see, a makeshift setup, and I do not have my actual setup. But anyway, the Xiaomi EU 30th July update is finally out. It was actually out in the morning, but I'm gonna make a video about it for you guys for all the changes. And I made a video for this one because there are actually some decent changes, or actually one important change. But without any further ado, let's jump right in. Alright, so guys, before we get started, please make sure to like, share and subscribe, and feel free to reach out on my Telegram group, which is also linked down in the description. And now that you've done that, let's get on to the basics. So let's move here. So as you can see, this is Xiaomi EU MIUI 12.1 20.7.3 beta, and as you can see, the security patch is 1st July. So they haven't updated to August, even though it's said in the changelog. But anyway, let's just not get into that. So yeah, these are the things. If you want to pause, if you want to go over it. But yeah, with that being said, let's move on to the changelog. So if I go here, and as you can see, it says updated Android security patch to August 2020, and it's not yet happened. And other than that, this is the main change, or the main highlight: rearrange control center on the horizontal view. So previously it was a really bad UI. So like, for example, if I am in the messaging app, and then let's turn around, let's enable this. So as you can see, whenever I was in control center, it was only taking this part of the screen, and then you had to scroll down to go through all the options. Let me just decrease it. And now they've actually utilized a much broader screen, and just like iOS, in landscape takes up the whole screen. But yeah, as you can see, they've done this amazing change. But yeah, this is the main highlight of this update. But other than that, I have one really special feature, and this is it: double tap on the back to enable flashlight or whatever. And this is not because of this ROM. It's actually a feature that's from a third-party app, and some amazing person on Telegram told me about this. And this is called TapTap. So it's an app you can use on any ROM. So basically how it works is you have to give it accessibility permissions, and then you can change a few settings. And in gesture, as you can see, the device model is Pixel 4 or whatever, but it doesn't matter, it still works for us. So if I go into actions and then choose some actions, so let's say if I want to launch Google Assistant, for example, I can do that. So whenever I double tap at the back, it'll launch the assistant, and it is pretty responsive. I would say as responsive, if not more, than iOS 14. So yeah, it works really well. I just use it for flashlight because that makes more sense in my opinion. So utilities, flashlight. I mean, this is the first alpha APK, so I'll be linking down the GitHub page so you can download the latest version, but it works on any ROM. So yeah, it works pretty well, surprisingly well. I mean, even though I have a case, it works even on some of the lightest taps. So as you can see, I'm not tapping really hard, and it works 99% of the time. So yeah, those are some of the main highlights of this update. But that is basically about it. In terms of smoothness, obviously it's a lot smoother than the 2 weeks ago beta that I had posted. They've done a lot of changes in the Chinese, like from the official Xiaomi part as well. So Xiaomi EU obviously is based on Xiaomi on the Chinese ROM. So obviously this ROM is smoother as well. So now let's quickly move on to the super fast app opening test. All right, so let's open a few apps. That should be it. And let's open photos as well, maybe DJI Go 4, and let's quickly switch between the apps. I can see this ROM is pretty smooth, maybe not as smooth as Masik P, which is very smooth, which is like the best MIUI 12 ROM I've tried so far. But this is also quite surprisingly smooth. I mean, I did not expect Xiaomi EU to be this smooth, but it is, so that's a great thing. But yeah, so if you're just not too much into stutters and if you don't care a lot about stutters, it's fine. I mean, it's still pretty darn smooth, but Masikpi is still smoother in my opinion. But yeah guys, that is basically about it. If you're still watching, thank you. And if you do want to know what case I use and all the screen protector I use, it's all linked down in the description, so you can check it out if you want to. But yeah guys, thanks for watching. If you're still watching, that is amazing. But that's about it for this video. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. This was Alham from Mr. Tech Boss, signing off.